Storage auction.
Just once.
Just one.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We buy lies and sell memories, where every mystery box is a complete surprise and puts us one step closer to retirement. Got this right for Mike, doing what he's paid for. Heavens to Murgatroyds even. China.
Remember they were smuggling.
Come on, Shanizi. Shanizi.
That's a good box.
What does this go to? Oh, it just hangs. No, it's a...
Should be hanging on the wall.
No, it's a frickin' door off the microphone.
Chopstick.
LV.
Fancy paintbrushes.
Shots. Shanizi, where are you? Ooh, records.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Lots of records.
Come on, be some good stuff here. No.
We don't know what they are because
This one needs to go accessible. Ooh, maybe we'll get paid on our records tomorrow.
Love is Blue, music in a mellow mood. You know what? That's that one rare ass record.
Oh.
It went to China. That was the Beatles, huh?
Ooh. They're like $20 each, maybe 10, because they're Japanese. Sorry, people out there. I'm trying to flip through these damn records. You don't even see them.
How did I not see them? I thought they were like magazines.
Wise woman once told me, you're standing in front of a mountain, a huge mountain, and you can't see it because of a single strand of hair is in your eye.
I don't mean the mountain's gone. It's still there.
No, it means that you're. It's you got. If I don't have to explain it to you, you don't even understand it. That's what it means.
What does it mean on what?
It means you're on your own worst enemy.
The directions to see?
No, it's one of them, things you hang.
Chanel, Louis suitcases,
Another Walt Nordstrom, huh?
New York Hilton.
Ties.
Huh?
Ties.
Nice.
Chinese ties.
North Face.
That's Snap on.
No, that's North Face. Please be a Supreme. North
Grab it,
Face.
Uncle Mike.
Huh?
Grab it.
I'll set that aside. Is that one? Okay.
Abercrombie and Fitch.
The picture.
There he is.
These are all Nordstrom bags. You gotta go through it. No. Ooh. You see that on the
Where
bottom?
is that? Don't rip it. Where's that bag?
No, it's not. Louis, I don't think.
It's a leather clothes bag, huh?
Yeah.
How many YouTube viewers have commented how you threw Uncle Michael's knife in the sock box? Because of the ordeal that we talked about the knife in like a week after that. Come on, Shanazi. Put it in the tomorrow. For tomorrow, yeah. We'll take clothes out tomorrow. It'll be one of those days. Michael tech savvy when it's on the line. I don't think this is the one I was talking about.
I don't think it was either.
Were these already out here?
No?
So what, you say hot and cold, but you only show us cold.
Uncle Mike got gas right now.
What the hell is that?
Poster?
Set him aside.
We're gonna have to. Man. Oh, come on, man.
No.
No? Rub it?
Just take it to me.
Alright. Mushrooms. Yeah, they don't play out there.
What's that one?
Which one?
That one.
Sauce, whatever it is.
It's not a purse.
Nothing.
There's the Louis.
Let's just take it to him. That's Uncle Michael.
Thank you. Single strand of hair. Could be Louis, and what they do is just looking through the center of it. Hello.
Oh, that's nice.
100% what?
It's Burke.
Cashmere? Pure cashmere.
That actually looks like a very sellable outfit. We gotta bring more empty boxes when we come. No.
Slippers. Slippers.
That's not good.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
That's it. It's in there.
Open that up.
Let me find a little one to match it.
I don't know because it doesn't look real.
The other one didn't either. I was wondering that. Could be though.
Well, they're from China, so they probably got good knockoffs there, but I don't know.
Nonetheless.
This doesn't look real to me. But I know one way to find out.
It's locked.
It's about to work.
Use your knife, Uncle Mike.
I don't have it.
Should you open it from here first?
Spoon man. Just put it in there and pull down.
In here?
Yeah, just go like that and push, get it in there, wedge in there. There you go. There you go. There she is.
This is an old one, got wheels.
It's art supplies in a jewelry box. Nope, it's a display case. They're bean babies. What we got, guys? Take. What's that, Alice? What's that, Alice?
It's all nothing. What's underneath yours, Uncle Mike?
You don't believe there's something in there that's very valuable? It could be a
What's
piece
that
of art.
on there
It's a piece of art.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah, that needs to be set aside. I need to figure out what that is.
What is this?
I don't know. What is this? It's a standard spirograph meter. Looks like it needs to be set aside.
Looking glass. Sure.
Last time we found a spiral scarifilometer.
Actually, a couple weeks ago, 'cause I remember seeing that word. Sir, can you hold it over here? Yep, it's exactly what I thought it was. This is the second trunk we found. Interesting.
This right here.
Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Another one of those. Set it aside. They're just stamps. Yeah, just a stamp. Nothing special. Come on, go that way. Then that way. Then that way. And then like this. And then like this. Then this, then this, then this, then this. No.
$6,800.
Teapot set. Thank you, Uncle Mike. Thank you. I appreciate how you did that for me. Give me like that.
Razors.
Look, Alex, you can have a mini version of my necklace.
Purse, handbag.
There. Maybe a bag of jewelry or something. What do you think?
It's like Versace.
No, it doesn't. Down here, let's go keep it camera height. Nothing.
Made in Mexico.
Got them storage auction stripper ones out of purse. Alex and I are finna go hit the oh shit, I gotta look up after buying a little unit, 10 by 30. Bunch of Chinese stuff. Interesting things. Gotta get some Chanel purses and Louis purses checked out. Just stuff. I don't know. Nice Parker pens are like gold or something. Gold plated. What's this one? Celine.